Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Guys, I'm super excited today to bring to you guys a cold shoe light by Neewer. And this is a mini portable light which has its own internal battery, and it goes onto your camera, and it's RGB. You can give it any color you want, and I think that's brilliant. So this is my first time looking at this, so let's go ahead with the unboxing and I'll let you guys know what I think of it. Before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know this channel is completely surviving on your subscriptions. So if you appreciate that, all you have to do is subscribe, like, and watch videos. And a super thanks would always, any sort of donation would always help. It'll ensure that I can keep buying new things for this channel, so I can bring to you guys new items to have a look at. All right, let's get this opened. Okay guys, so that's basically it. That's the unboxing. I am going to give this a good thorough examination and let you guys know. So that's quite nice. The light is not bad. That's, I think, 10% strobing RGB. I'm not gonna blind it. And okay, so that's the how much light it gives. Okay, how high does it go? So 8500 K, that's not too bad. Okay, all right, so that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Please do give this channel a like, a subscribe, it helps out. Thank you for waiting to the end to watch the whole video. Take good care. Bye bye.